For today's project, we're actually going to be using two different ceramic items. First, we're going to start with this cute little Easter egg with a handle. And I chose a few items that I picked up at the local hobby store. You can find these cute little ducks, chicks, eggs, etc. at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. And of course, just a floral bush is always my favorite go-to. So we're going to take our bush and dissect it, cut off all the stems, and begin by placing the stems in the foam. So I filled the ceramic pot with foam. You typically will use green floral foam and secure it with hot glue. I also have some rosemary stems that we're going to be using in this design. It reminds me of Easter grass. Wire cutters are very essential for this project, and hot glue. So we're going to take our bush, and the first thing that we're going to do is add our daffodils right in the center and determine our height of our design. By using a bush, the flowers are already coordinated, so I don't have to buy 6 separate types of flowers to achieve that spring look that I want in this Easter egg basket design. So we started with the taller flowers, and now we're going away from the ceramic Easter egg and working our way around. So not placing our stems directly perpendicular to the handle, we're going out away from the handle itself and away from the jar. So giving that airy look. And now we're going to add these white baby's breath in here just to give it a lightened up, airy look. Once we get all of our flowers arranged, now we're going to add some of those cute little elements. As you can see, I bought these in a variety of colors. I have them in pink, white, yellow, and blue. So it's really going to depend on your eye what you want to add. But we added the little styrofoam bunny and chicks. And I did use a variety of colors. And then I have this Easter egg pick that was actually from my store at Festive Creations by Stephanie that kind of gave it a little bit of extra flair for this design. Keep in mind that you can find cute containers like this and many more just at your local craft stores, and sometimes I find them at my grocery store. Our second design is this cute little bunny ceramic vase. Once again, I have filled the vase base with the floral foam and secured it with hot glue. And I'm using begonias in this design. So the begonias have the pink edging to it. It has little pink buds. So I'm actually starting this one a little bit different. I'm doing the filler first, the greenery first, and we're going to go back in and add the color after we add our begonias. Our color is a little bit taller. It's a flower stem that's going to be taller than our begonias, and it's really starting to take shape now by adding this pink flower in here. And I'm going to use the entire bush of flowers. It really makes this little bunny stand out. Again, you can find these containers anywhere. I also have some 1/8 inch ribbon, and we're going to use that 1/8 inch ribbon and just give our little bunny a bow, just a little added extra something. We don't need a big bow, we just need a little petite pastel pink bow. And I'm going to secure that bow around the ceramic bunny's neck using hot glue. And now you can see the design completed with our bow. I know the lighting is kind of bright, so it's washing out the color of the bow. But hey, thanks for watching the video. Check us out on Facebook at festivecreationsbystephanie.com or YouTube, festivecreationsbystephanie.com. Thanks, guys.